Nail fungus is a common issue that can be difficult to treat, leading many people to search for at-home solutions. The Okita Nail Fungus Light Pen, available on okita-us.com, claims to use advanced light therapy to eliminate fungal infections and restore healthy nails. But is this product legit, and does it really work? Let's take a closer look. What is the Okita Nail Fungus Light Pen? The Okita Nail Fungus Light Pen is marketed as a non-invasive, pain-free solution for nail infections. It uses a combination of blue light and red light therapy to target fungal growth, kill bacteria, and promote nail healing. The device is designed to be portable and easy to use, allowing users to treat their nails at home instead of relying on expensive medical treatments. Does the Okita Light Pen really work? The effectiveness of the Okita Nail Fungus Light Pen depends on multiple factors, including the severity of the infection and how consistently the device is used. Some studies suggest that light therapy can help reduce fungal infections, but results can take weeks or even months to become noticeable. Customer reviews are mixed. Some users report seeing gradual improvements in their nail health, while others claim they saw little to no difference. It's essential to follow the recommended usage guidelines for the best results. Is okita-us.com legit or a scam? The website okita-us.com sells the Okita Nail Fungus Light Pen, but before making a purchase, it's important to check customer feedback, return policies, and company credibility. While some buyers have had a positive experience, others have raised concerns about shipping times and refund policies. Should you buy it? The Okita Nail Fungus Light Pen could be a helpful tool for those dealing with mild to moderate nail fungus, but results vary. If you're considering buying from okita-us.com, be sure to read verified customer reviews and check the company's policies. For severe cases of nail fungus, consulting a medical professional may be the best option. Thank you for watching this video, and I really appreciate your feedback to improve creativity in creating positive and useful content for many people.